Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making chocolate crinkle cookies. These are my favorite holiday cookies. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, line your baking sheet with a parchment paper. Then set it aside. Here are the ingredients you'll need: all-purpose flour, baking powder, cocoa powder, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, almond extract, canola oil, and eggs. Let's get started. Sift the flour, baking powder, cocoa powder, salt, and granulated sugar. For the wet ingredients, combine oil, eggs, vanilla extract, and almond extract. Then whisk to combine. Chocolate crinkle cookies are a holiday staple. Though they are wonderful any time of the year, of course, with their snowy powdered sugar surfaces and their signature exterior. They are soft, chewy in the middle with a slightly crunchy edge, and rich, just like a brownie in the shape of a cookie. I know you'll love this recipe, guys. Make a well and add wet ingredients to dry. Stir until you get a thick and shiny dough. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and ring that notification bell so we stay connected. Every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Next, roll the cookie dough into balls, about 1 tablespoon of dough per cookie. Then we're gonna roll the cookie dough balls into confectioner's sugar. Place them on a parchment lined baking sheet. Then we are going to bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 10 minutes. Once the cookies are out of the oven, leave them on a baking sheet for 10 minutes, then invert them onto a cooling rack. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.